want to show you how to play All I Have to Do Is Dream, Dream, Dream by the Everly Brothers. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody on this. There is some duet parts in there. They go back and forth between unison and little duet things, but I kept it simple. I just kept it with the melody, so it makes it simple. It's in the key of E, and we start on a G sharp. G sharp, F sharp, E, B, C sharp. Up an octave, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, B, C sharp. C sharp, B, A, G sharp. Three of them. A, B, A, G sharp. Three of them. A, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp. F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, B, C sharp, C sharp, B. And then they do the second verse, the same thing. Now here they change just a little bit on the ending. F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, E. And then we go into that bridge chorus. C sharp, B, A, B, A, G sharp, back to C sharp, D sharp, B, B, C sharp, C sharp, B, A sharp, B. So that's two sets of triplets. And that, you've basically got the whole piece right there, the whole song. Now they open up with a guitar, strummed guitar chord. So you can duplicate it by just going E, B, E in the left hand and G sharp, B, E in the right hand, and get it on a setting that sounds kind of like a guitar, a little bit of strings in the background. I've got this on piano pad setting, it gives you that sound. And then we go right into it. Now your bass is going to go E, C sharp, A, B, B, C sharp, A, B. See, that's a 1 chord, 6 chord. That's a C sharp minor chord, then a 4 chord, and a 5 chord. Standard late 50s, early 60s rock and roll chord progression there. See, but all I'm going to do is play the bass line. E, C sharp, A, C sharp, A, B. Once you've mastered that, all you've got to do is put that right hand with it. See, they have some other things. They put some duets in there. I'm not going to put any of the duet lines in there. If you want to figure them out on your own, you can, or you can add to them. And they put some little guitar licks. Then they go with they have a little guitar lick in there. All it does is make it harder if you're playing it with 2 hands. So what I kept it was the bass line and the melody. And I'm going to go slowly so you can watch it. The second time through. I'll slow it down a little bit more for you. Those go together. The B's go together. C sharp and the G sharps go together. Now they do a little thing with the melody right there. They put a little F sharp in there. I didn't put it in the letter notes, but you can add it if you want. Bit of a melisma where they're singing one vowel and they're moving 2 notes. Now here's where we change it. Now what we've got there, we've got an E down to A, E, G sharp, B, 7th chord. I'll put a 7th chord in there to go into the bridge chorus. And then what I'm going to is an A, C sharp, E, G sharp, B, D sharp. So we're going to A chord, a G sharp minor chord, and an F sharp. Now this is a minor chord to start with. So we're going to go F sharp minor chord and then to the E chord. Then we do it again, A sharp, A, C sharp, E, and I'm going to arpeggiate that but hold each note. Then the G sharp minor, arpeggiate it but hold each note. And then here we go to a major chord. When they got, and it's a little bit polyrhythmic because you've got triplets going against straight notes right here. So it's, then walk this down, B, A, G sharp, and then walk that down. So the B, A, G sharp, and it leads it right back into the third verse. Different notes, but the third verse. So let me put those notes together. So we have, there it is, and then you're going to go up to, see, I'm leaving out that A right there, so because I've got it right here. And now I use the C sharp as like a filler. I think they have a different note that falls in there, but it makes sense on the piano there. And we just fill out the chord with the arpeggio, E, G sharp, B, and do it again. I do the same thing here. I just hit the G sharp and the D sharp. Let the third of the chord be right there. When you get down there, you've got to be ready to go on to the C sharp, A, B. So you've got the F sharp and the A that go together. The same way with that E7, E7 going into, that'll lead us into the A, G sharp minor, F sharp minor, back to the A, G sharp minor. So that's an A sharp, F sharp major chord, which leads us back to the B, and that B leads us right back to the E. See, that B chord will lead us right back to the E. Now here, all they do is they fade it out. They just fade it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend to fade it out 2 times, and then I'm going to do that standard ending that we've done at the end of the verse, and I'll just slow it down. So and then end it with an E chord. And I'm going to voice that with an E and a G sharp in the left hand, and a B and an E in the right hand. So I'm going to play that third verse reprise and the tag ending so you can see how together. We're coming out of this. Down at the end and then hit that E chord. There you have it. All I have to do is Dream, Dream, Dream by the Everly Brothers. I hope you enjoy playing it.